That's a fish, guys. Oh, buddy. We had about, only had about maybe 3 or 4 hits. No hookup, man. All right, guys. I haven't had another bite in, I don't know, 2 hours maybe. And I mean, it got to a point where I was getting kind of desperate. So I put the crappie up and I'm gonna try some chicken breasts. You dang right I am. I've caught some big cats on chicken breasts too. I don't know, maybe they just don't want crappie. You never know what you gotta do. But yeah, just like that. Piece of chicken breast. But yeah, so I trolled back towards the cove near the house, and that's where I'm fishing right now. Alright, let's try the chicken breast. That's a fish, guys. Oh, buddy. That's a flathead, guys. That's easily a flathead. I'm pretty sure it is. I'm pretty sure it's a flathead, man. I gotta reel up these lines real quick. We spot lock real quick. Yeah, buddy. That's a daggone flathead right there, y'all. 100%. 100%. Oh, that's a good one, guys. That chicken breast worked out, guys. Ah. Oh God, there's a bee right here. Oh, buddy. That is a heck of a flathead, guys. Guys, that's a big flathead on the chicken breast. Oh, buddy. Guys, it worked out, guys. I gotta loosen that drag. 7 feet of water, man. Oh, buddy. Oh, he's hooked good. Oh, buddy, guys. We got him. I got him. I got him. See, when he first hit, I thought I was snagged on something. Oh, buddy. Nice flathead, guys. Look at that thing on the chicken breast. Last ditch effort, man. I knew it was a good idea to come back and get that chicken. That's a good one right there. All right, guys. Yeah, that was my neighbor. Awesome fish, guys. He fought. This guy's a fighter right here, man. Well, y'all, I definitely got faith in some chicken breasts, man. I knew it, man. I mean, I was getting hits on the crappie, like a lot of hits, but they were just small fish. I mean, that don't mean nothing, but easily a big old flag could have taken the crappie. But I'm just happy that I came back here and used the chicken breast. Because, guys, I started fishing at about 9 o'clock, all right? 9 o'clock. And I got maybe 4 or 5 bites, but nothing crazy. So I've been working kind of hard for this one fish right here, man. All right, let's throw us another. Well, I'm gonna rebait all the rods and get these out real quick. This line is pretty dang slack right now. I'm just gonna reel up on it, see what happens. Is it a fish? No, he took the bait. Dang, man, I just threw it out there too. I just put new chicken breast on it just now, and that happened. I was turning around into the cove right here, and dang, probably a channel. It's all right though. Well, y'all, this rod right here just got hit pretty hard. Pretty sure my bait's gone. No, it's still there. Yeah, it got hit. Shook the whole dang kayak, man. I'll just rebait that real quick. Front rod just got smacked, and sure enough, took the chicken breast right off of it. That's the thing about chicken breast, it's real soft, so if you get a hit, you're more than likely gonna lose that piece of bait. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. There's no way. Is that a fish? No, that's a snag. Is that a snag or a fish? Oh, that's a snag. All right, y'all, I'm headed back now. I gotta go pick up my son. That one flathead was all I could get. But it was worth it, man. Fished till about 4:30 today. 10 to 4:30, so wish I could have got on more fish, but I guess that one flathead will do. What's up, y'all? I just got back from picking up my son from school, and the temperature definitely went down because it was freaking hot, man. I'm gonna ultralight fish, see if I can catch some really fresh, like crappie or white perch or just whatever wants to bite this bluegill. It really don't matter. This is my neighbor's dock right here. There's usually fish down here, but the water level has dropped a whole lot. Like, I'm talking, I don't know, 3 feet, which don't sound like a lot, but it is. But yeah, the plan is to hopefully go back catfishing. Oh, there's one. What is that? Oh, little bluegill. I'll take him, man. I'll take what I can get, for sure. Ugh. Yeah, this Yeti bucket is really dang heavy. Right there, y'all. Little bluegill. So this is a huge brush pile right here. Holy cow, that's a big brush pile. Yeah, really big. Check that out if you guys can see that. Huge brush pile. My goodness. Let's see if I can get anything right here. Yes. Yes. Oh my gosh, that's a slab, dude. That's a freaking slab. My God. Guys, check this fish out. Oh. Big fish. Big crappie, guys. Look at that thing. That's what I want right there, man. I want some of those. Ooh. My bait's probably gone. No, it's not. Oh, buddy. That's small. Oh, no. That's why I need my net, y'all. Situations like that. Ooh. On the drop. Oh. Ooh. There's one. There's one. See, that's one we can use whole right there. Just cut the tail off. Oh, oh. Yeah, this brush pile is really big, guys. Really big. There's one. Oh, buddy. I should have brought my net. Ugh. Check out that guy. He's not as big as the first one, but I mean, not, you know, good bait. That's just good bait right there. It don't get better than that for bait, y'all. Just really good bait. Where do these waves come from, man? Oh, dang, they fell off the jet ski. Now the jet ski is swimming away. Yeah. Storm is, it's definitely about to storm. We're just gonna ultralight fish for the next, I don't know, I guess until it storms. There's one, guys. Still on this brush pile right here. It's a little bit smaller. Crappie. getting pretty windy out here. There's one, guys. These are smaller, but they'll work. Just freeze these suckers up. Since I'm probably not going catfishing, throw them in a plastic bag, put them in the freezer. Usually they'll take it like on the drop, like that. Oh, like that. See, on the drop. Ooh, that's a good. Oh, it's still small. They always feel big on the ultralight, man. There's another one. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but it's starting to thunder out here. Ooh, I didn't even know he was on. That's a nice one. That's a better one. It's a, like maybe a 7-incher right there. On the drop. Guys, these are small, but I mean, it's even though they're small, it's fun. It's really fun. Most of these hits have been directly on bottom. I don't know, guys. Let's try and find another spot real quick. So I was moving spots. Ooh! I was moving spots and I decided to throw my line where I just was, and this guy hit it. I don't have my net with me. It's not good. I'm just gonna try it, guys. Ugh. That's a good one. That's a slab right there, man. That's a nice crappie, guys. That's a nice one right there. Heck yeah, man. It's a good 8-incher maybe. 8 or 9, one or the other. Oh gosh. Alright, there's lightning. Yeah, guys, I gotta head back. No, that was fun. We had fun little session, man. If you guys made it this far, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll catch y'all next time.